All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Hamster coin. Yep, this token is down right now about 16% in the last 5 to 7 days. We're going to see if this is the good discount buy. We're going to go to their website, check out their website, do their Twitter account, also see what's going on in the news. And we're going to talk about if you're 45 years old, and if you want to have $1 million by the time you're 65 years old, how much money do you need to save per month? There's going to be percentage of 3%, 6%, 9%, depending on what your vehicle that you're investing in. But how much money per month do you have to put aside if you're 45 years old to be a millionaire by the time you're 65? All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Hamster coin. All right, so over here at Coin Market Cap, Hamster coin is actually 704th cryptocurrency on Coin Market Cap. Now, this is a true discount buy. It's down 16.20% in the last 7 days. So down 16%. That's the 12 to 15 and 20. We always talk about if something's down around 12 to 15 to 20%, it could be a good discount buy. Clicking it. So in the last 24 hours, Hamster coin's down about 2%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1258. Last 7 days. So last 7 days, the token was up a little bit higher, but just like everything else, when all of a sudden the Feds talked about raising the interest rates in the last 3 times in the next 12 months, it looks like everything is going down. So Hamster token's down slightly right now, 16% in the last 24 hours. Over the Hamster Twitter account right here on January 5th, it's talking about the top BSC projects by Altrank. Take a look right here. The number one project is Hamster, H-A-M. You got Mean on here. You got a few other ones that you probably are familiar with. But number one project is Hamster coin. Again, looking right here, top projects by Altrank. And again, you got NFT tokens, AnySwap, Speedifund, and the number one project on the list is Hamster. Alt rank number 18. Pretty nice right here. Take a look at the little hamster face. There it is. And right here, Binance Smart Chain Ecosystem coin by Social Activity. It's got all the different coins that you can rank right here. Social volume, social encouragement, social engagement, average. And you got Hamster right here with everything else right there in the middle. Over at the Hamster coin website here, it says Hamster coin. It's kind of like a revamped. Do you want financial freedom and not to be affected by the negative causes of the market fluctuations? Become part of the community and join us today. There's the Hamster. Launch the AMP. You know, you can buy Hamster coin right here on PancakeSwap. It says about us. Our story. Hamster token is a decentralized meme token which was created on the BSC network. The specified feature from other meme tokens in the market that it also has more powerful and secure. The purpose of the Hamster token is to be a token that can be used globally with the vision to see Hamster token on all exchange platforms. Hamster token firstly has been successfully listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Hamster token teams up with continuously and endlessly negotiations with exchange platforms and other business partners in order to benefit from our loyal customers. And last and surely not least, Hamster coins are unlocked with a certain period of 50% of the supply will be burned for Jack, the CEO of Twitter. 50% of the supply was for PancakeSwap sales, and there is no main owner. All the decisions have been taken solely in the favor of the Hamster community. The Hamster coin strives to be useful for society and work hard to be useful for the community forever. How to buy the Hamster coin. So in case you don't know how to buy the Hamster coin, number 1, go to PancakeSwap. Number 2, choose your crypto wallet to connect. Number 3, choose your preferred token and you will see your price. Number 4, confirm the swap. And number 5, buy the Hamster coin. Hamster coin got the basically address right here. There's 12% that's basically going back out. 4% of the BCT is redistributed to the holders. 4% is used to fuel the liquidity of the pool exchange growth. and 4% of the BTC is allocated to buy back the marketing wallet. All right, so give us your thoughts on the Hamster. Do you have some Hamster coin? Have you thought of been getting it, or is this something that's new on your radar? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming episodes. All right, right now, if you're 45 years old, how much money per month do you have to save to be a millionaire when you're 65? So that's 20 years. There's an interest rate of 3%, an interest rate of 6%, and an interest rate of 9%. Let's go ahead and go over to the article and dig into it. All right over here. How much money a 45-year-old should invest each month to become a millionaire by age 65? All right, so taking a look at this, there's basically 3 different categories how much money you will need when you're 45. So they say one calculation strives to get a return rate of about 3%. It's a very conservative portfolio and mostly be in bonds. The second portfolio would be 6%, a combination of stock and bonds. And the third portfolio would be 9%, a portfolio that would be stocks heavily and contain index and mutual funds yielding around 9% on the average. So you got 3 different 3%, 6%, and 9%. So right here is number 1. At 3% yearly annually at 45 years old, you would have to put about $3,100 per month to have $1 million saved by the age of 65. So $3,100 is roughly around $38,000 to $40,000. So you'd have to save about $38,000 a year from the time you're 45 to you're 65, and you'd have $1 million saved. Now, if you instead contributed to the investment that gave about a 6% return, then you would have to put about $2,200 monthly, not $3,100. $2,200 would be right around $27,000. So you'd have to save about $27,000 yearly, or $2,200 a month. And in 20 years, you would have $1 million saved. And if you were more aggressive and you got the yield of 9%, you'd have to save around $1,600 per month. $1,600 is around $19,000 a year, $19,000, $20,000. So in about 20 years, saving $20,000 every year, you would have about $1 million saved. So you're looking at around $3,100, $2,200, or $1,600 per month saving. Now, if you're 43 or 42 or you're under 45, then you're going to have to save a little bit less because you're a little bit younger than 45, so you have those extra years that compound. But if you were, say, 48 or 49 or 50, then you're losing 5 years, so you would have to save a little bit more. So right here, how much money you would need to save at 45 years old to become a millionaire. So don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So are you saving around $3,100 a month, $1,600 a month? What are your thoughts right there? I know this is not a cryptocurrency thing, this is just a savings thing, but we talk about crypto, we talk about stocks, we talk about investing. So again, becoming a millionaire by the time you're 65, not with crypto, just pure savings. How's that sound for you? All right, let's go ahead and head back over. All right, back over here at the website, the advantages of Hamster coin. Transparency. The Hamster coin is decentralized and supported by the community for enthusiasts. We encourage constant open communication and believe in trust. Transparency and community are 3 pillars to building the professional success. Number 2 is community. Hamster coin is one of the fastest growing, most loved community in crypto. We believe that only united we are strong. Community is everything, and Hamster coin strives to promote unity within the team. 3 and 4 is trust and longevity. Trust for the success in business. Trust is paramount. Trust means full transparency, not only in the community and development, but also in the securities and efforts. And longevity, Hamster coin is in for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostering and adopting long-term development and efforts which will be consistently beneficial to all that are involved. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different zeros last month here. This token was a little bit higher before at 15.50. Now it's at 12.67. My price prediction, it's going to go a little bit higher than 15.53. We're going to go 19.53 as our price prediction. Now again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but everybody's liking the Hamster token. It's definitely on the up. It's on the groove. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up for Hamster. Again, Hamster at 702, down 15%. could be a gigantic, huge discount buy. And over at the top 10, Polkadot's at 16% down in the last 7 days, gigantic discount buy. Luna is down 27% in the last 7 days, another gigantic discount buy. XRP is at 12%. Cardano is at 14%. Solana is at 20%, a gigantic discount buy. Binance Coin is at 18%. Ethereum is at 18%, and Bitcoin is at 12%. All right, this is called buying the dip. El Salvador's been doing it for months and months and months. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, this is a bonus video on Saturday. Have a fantastic day today. We'll see you tomorrow.